Hello everyone, myself Jitendra Pathi, teacher of Shivaji Group of Institution. Today I am going to explain lesson the language of chemistry of class 9th. Chapter contain following terms. Number 1, like a symbol. It represents short form of an element. It also inform qualitative and quantitative meaning of an element. Qualitative meaning, it contains a specific element and one atom of an element. And quantitative meaning, it represents mass of an element which is equal to atomic mass, which is termed in atomic mass unit. Now take some example: sodium, aluminium, phosphorus. Symbols are Na, Al, P and sulfur, and having atomic mass 23, 27, 31 and 32 respectively. In chemistry, approx 120 elements are discovered. These have specific symbol and specific atomic mass. Now, next topic is chemical formula. Now pay attention. It is a symbolic representation of number of atom present in a molecule of that substance. It is very important in finding information about chemical compound. Molecule of every substance have a specific representation. Now take some example. On the basis of atomicity, elements are classified like monoatomic, di, tri, tetra, octa and so many other polyatomic compound elements are exist. Magnesium is monoatomic, oxygen is diatomic, ozone is triatomic, phosphorus is tetraatomic, sulfur octaatomic, Buckminster fullerene is an allotrope of carbon which is polyatomic, having formula is C60. Now take some other example on the basis of compound. Compound like sodium chloride known as table salt, having formula NaCl. In this compound, sodium and chlorine having one atom both, and limestone which is CaCO3 having atom calcium 1, carbon 1 and oxygen is 3. Baking soda NaHCO3, sodium 1, hydrogen 1, carbon 1 and oxygen 3. Next is the sucrose known as cane sugar, also known as sugar, having molecular formula is C12H22O11. In this compound, carbon is 12, hydrogen 22, oxygen is 11. Lot of compound also exist in chemistry like sodium sulfate which is Na2SO4, calcium chloride is the CaCl2, glucose C6H12O6. Thank you. That all for today. I will continue this lesson in my next audio, and till then, student, you have to write down the notes of this topic in your copy with the help of PDF file that I sent you with this audio. Students, thank you for attending this class. Next class will start in 5 minutes. You can relax and come back 5 minutes. Okay, thank you.